So today we're going to replace this outdoor latch for the holds the door on the Prowler. We're trying to replace all the outside pieces before winter comes. This one's just been outside in the weather quite a bit, so we're going to take it off and replace it with this new one we bought. Tanya found on Amazon. It looks like a darn good close replica of it.
I didn't find it on Amazon.
Oh,
You
well then
found it
I found
online.
it. I found it online then. So it's 3.5 inches with a bumper. Apparently this little piece here is supposed to look like that. So we're gonna take this one off and put the new one on. So this door holder comes with just these regular metal screws, but we're going to replace them with these ones because again it has that little rubber bumper in there that tells you when to stop torquing that screw, and it makes for a better seal.
This is our Sheila emotional support slash supervisor foreman of the project, just coming by, hanging out as we do this.
See if this works. Well, I know we have to get a new door, but it does hold it. So that's one new piece on the old Prowler. We'll have to tweak it a little bit, but installation was fast, maybe 5-6 minutes in total. That's it for that one, guys.